So here's how you can allow the Instagram app to access your camera and microphone on the iPhone. So let's get started. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first step is to open up your Instagram app and just basically get to a situation where the microphone and a camera is going to be needed. So in reality, it would look like this. You would basically just open up the new post or new story creation page, and you want to just click on the camera. So you essentially need to use it, right? And you're likely going to get the pop-up if it's for the first time. So you will basically just get inside the app, right? And just get to the camera and creation process and page, and then you decide if you want to allow it or not. But the point is that if you want to change it anytime later, what you have to do is to open up the settings, go to privacy and security, and both the camera as well as microphone have their own menus here. So if I go to the microphone, for example, you can see Instagram might be enabled or disabled, so I have to change it right here. I just need to make sure the toggle is green if I intend on using the microphone with this app. And the very same thing goes for the camera, where you as well see the Instagram and all of those things right here. So yeah, that's how you can manage it. And it is pretty simple overall. So let me know if you managed to make it work on your specific device for your use case. But I'm gonna wrap up the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll catch you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.